And the government has nabbed nearly 12 tons of vandalized electrical equipment in a warehouse in Nairobi's industrial area. The 15.4 million shillings worth of vandalized material was recovered following a tip-off from the public. Jasmine Wamboi has more.
This trailer was carrying nothing but vandalized electricity equipment. 12 tons of scrap metal valued at 15.4 million shillings would be offloaded for the better part of the morning.
Yesterday, acting on a tip-off, our energy police unit with the Kenya Power Security, Ketraco Security, raided one of the go-downs in the industrial area, acting on a tip-off, and we were able to arrest and confiscate 11.86 tons of copper and associated items.
This is not the first time the energy sector has suffered a loss of such magnitude.
Last year alone, we exported as a country 7 billion worth of copper items from 13 licensed copper exporters, scrap metal dealers. So the big question that we are asking ourselves is, we are not a copper mining country, but we are still exporting copper worth 7 billion.
Barely a month ago, the ministry had conducted another raid that resulted in the confiscation of vandalized material worth about 13.4 million shillings. The country loses between 2 billion to 2.5 billion shillings every year to cases of vandalism. And it would seem that despite best efforts, nothing is changing. Kenya Power in the last financial year admitted to increases of up to 46% in cases of transformer vandalism. It is for this reason that the government began a crackdown in May last year.
Before we started this crackdown in May, we used to lose an average of 1 transformer per day, and we have seen a reduction of the same.
The government now issuing a stern warning to scrap metal dealers over the increased cases of vandalism.
And we are telling you, the scrap metal dealers, please avoid dealing with energy infrastructure materials, specifically copper and aluminium.
Besides compromising the quality of power supply and affecting revenue generation for Kenya Power, vandalism also exposes the public to risks such as electrocution. Jasmine Wamboi, Citizen TV, Nairobi.
All right, thanks so much for that. Now,